One of the things that is very clear to us is that this matches the direction that is happening in global studies and global and international studies programs across the United States. They are very interdisciplinary, and they are pulling from geography, political science, history, anthropology, women's studies, environmental studies, because all of those issues are boundary crossing, those disciplines are boundary crossing, and they have something to say about global issues. So we're tying into and certainly looking at what's happening across the country in terms of these kinds of studies.
I'm excited because, I think that as I look at the students who have come to international studies over the last several years, to a remarkable degree, Capital Scholars students have been attracted to this. So I think that when prospective students see that we offer a global studies major, we think that this will attract students to our honors program. And I think, of course, I don't mean to exclude the fact that there will be transfer students who will also see for the first time that at UIS they can get a major in global studies. And I should say that there are not that many of these in the state of Illinois, at least at public universities.
I think another impact that it will have is that simply the expansion upon the university's global awareness requirement. All students will be required to take a global awareness class. I think it's probably safe to say that most students who would end up in a degree like this probably are not necessarily coming to the university saying, I want a global studies degree or an international studies degree. It's probably never even occurred to them. That might occur in English or mathematics or something like that. But what's more likely to happen is a student might take one of those global awareness classes and say, hey, I really want to know more about this. I really want to expand my education in this way. So I think it'll be a way to build upon the directions and the competencies that the university is already building on. So I like the synthesis that I think this is going to create with other departments and other directions that the campus is taking.
Mm-hmm.